Hello everybody, I'm going to be trying my best to show you how to factor polynomials. The problem we're going to be using today is 18x squared plus 27x plus 10, and in order to solve this problem we're going to have to do these following steps. The first part in doing this is creating a diamond, and with our diamond we have to get the first number and the last number of the equation and multiply them together. In our case that would be 18 and 10, and 18 times 10 is 180. Now, we would have to get the middle number, which in our case is 27, and put it on the bottom. Now you are done with the first part. Now in the second part, what we have to do is get those two numbers, 180 and 27, and think what numbers multiply to 180 and add to 27. Let's first try 90 and 2. Well, 90 times 2, yes, it is 180. But 90 plus 2, I don't think that is 27. So let's try something else. Maybe 15 and 12. Let's try 15 and 12. So 15 times 12, that is 180. So yeah, that checks out. Now what's 15 plus 12? That's 27. Alright, it works. So now let's move on to the box. Now we have to get those two last numbers we got from the second part of the diamond to create our box, 15x and 12x. It doesn't matter which place you put it in the box, as long as it's in either one of those two places with your problem. So now we have to get the first number, which is 18x squared, and 10 from the original problem. Now we can move on to the second part of our box. In the second part of our box, we get 18x squared, and 15x, 12x, and 10. Now what does 15x and 10 have in common? Well, they have 5. They have 5. So what does 18x and 15x have in common? They have 3x. Now what does 18x squared and 12x have in common? Well, 6x. Now what does 12x and 10 have in common? They both have 2 in common. So now we have our equations. You see here, right, these two. That's our final answer. So now we just have to write it down in this format. So we'd get the top one and put it like this in parentheses, and we get the second one and put it like this in parentheses. And there's your final answer. Good job. I picked these two math standard practices because I believe that I can show my work in words and clearly show you how to factor polynomials. I hope you learned something today. Have a nice day.